I have been challenged by another YouTuber bartender to come up with my own daiquiri riff. Well, the war's on, gnome. This is not that serious. I don't know why I wanted to do it that way, but I did. Hey there, the Heather, and hello, welcome back to Mike's Hard Reviews. My name is Michael. I'm a bartender from Southwest Michigan. It's lovely to have you guys here today. So here's what's really going down here. I am in a Discord channel with a bunch of other YouTuber bartenders, and of those is Gnome's Tavern. He recently went to a cocktail competition at the Dovetail Cocktail Lounge in New Orleans, where they had them do a bunch of stuff with daiquiris as a platform. And one of those things was a riff. Well, they had this nice list of ingredients you could use to come up with your own riff, and he invited myself and a whole bunch of other people to collaborate on a hashtag daiquiri riff video where we use the ingredients on that list to make our own daiquiri riff. There were a lot of really cool items to choose from on there, some of which I couldn't even pronounce. But fortunately, I saw a creme de banane, and I've actually been working on my own version of a banana daiquiri, so I figured it's time to step up and get mixing. That being said, before we get started, be sure to click the hashtag daiquiri riff in the description down below to go check out all the other videos made by people like Cocktail Underground and the Calm Scribe. Everybody who's collaborating on this is doing a lot of really good work here, and these are all really, really great recipes. You're not going to want to miss a single one of them. Without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about ingredients. For this cocktail, you are going to need Black Rum, Jamaican Rum, Overproof Rum, Banana Liqueur, Angostura and Cardamom Bitters, lemon juice, and for garnish, a banana. What a single rum can do very well in a well-balanced daiquiri, a blend of rums could potentially do better, and these are going to better suit the dark aroma flavor of our banana liqueur. That being said, each spirits tend to fare better with lemon instead of lime, and on top of that, lemon and banana go together better than banana and lime. So we're doing that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and stir it up. I'm breaking all kinds of rules today. Lemon juice in a daiquiri, stirring instead of shaking, oh my god. We're stirring because we're not going to use a full measure of lemon juice compared to other daiquiris. We want to keep a nice, smooth, silky mouthfeel, and on top of that, I wanted to break some rules. Let's get mixing. We're going to start with 1 to 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 1 to 2 dashes of Cardamom Bitters. It's at this point that I do need to note this technically disqualifies me if this was a competition because bitters aren't on that ingredients list. But Gnome did say that so long as I plug his Gnome's Tavern bitters, perfect for aromatic drinks like old fashions and Manhattans, or to add a little bit of stylish pizzazz and flavor and aroma to a sour with a nice egg white foam. I can use whatever kind of bitters I want. So if you're at home making this cocktail, go ahead and use Gnome's Tavern Aromatic Bitters, the best bitters for all of your cocktail needs. I hope this doesn't get me in trouble with McMahon Tate. We're gonna come behind that with ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 ounce of a banana liqueur. The best is Giffard Banane de Brasil. This is the only banana liqueur that I actually ever reach for. I would recommend this wholeheartedly over anything else. Next up, we'll do 1 ounce of our Jamaican rum, ½ ounce of Black Rum, and last but not least, ½ ounce of our Overproof Rum. That's all of our ingredients. Let's go ahead and grab some ice so that we can stir this down. Shout out to my girlfriend for buying me this absolutely gorgeous stirring glass that I'm now going to fill with ice. We will then stir this for 10 to 15-20 seconds until it is properly diluted and chilled. For serving, I'm going to grab a chilled rocks glass out of my freezer, and into that I will place a large rock of ice. Take our strainer, put that over our glass, and double strain over the ice. Now we can talk about garnishing. To garnish this, I'm going to grab a couple wheels of banana here. We'll spear those on a diagonal across a cocktail pick, and then rest them onto our drink like so. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a banana daiquiri. Cheers. Go ahead and give this a taste. Very satisfied with myself. Cilantro. Yeah, that just washes over you so nice. So what we're accomplishing by stirring this is, one, maintaining a very, very rich mouthfeel. The banana liqueur is pretty thick. It has a very nice kind of like almost creamy element to it on the mouth. And when we shake it, that kind of goes away. It's not like a double rich syrup would. It doesn't hold up quite as well as that. So stirring preserves that nice texture that we want to have here. Furthermore, I wanted this daiquiri to drink more like an old fashioned than it does a daiquiri, but still scratch the same itch. And that was simply because I think that the dark rums here are doing a lot of work to add like a bananas foster angle to this. And if we shook that, that becomes kind of obfuscated. They all kind of blend together and it just feels too thin. I wanted there to be a really unctuous mouthfeel here, and that is what you get when you stir a drink like this. I think I sold this pretty damn well. And those bananas on top are super huge too, because when they're a little bit more ripe than this one is, they've got such a nice pungent aroma that matches the drink so well, it can't be missed. Oh, yeah, that's just so good. It's mostly banana, but that rum gives it that kind of funky, or maybe like a little bit grassy here and there kind of flavor, and with those caramel wood notes, just like bananas foster in a glass. It's so good. Like I said earlier, be sure to click that hashtag daiquiri riff in the description down below to check out folks at Cocktail Underground, Gnome's Tavern, Kill DeVille, Calm Scribe, and others all make their own riffs of these drinks. And thank you guys all so much for inviting me, not just to our collaborative group, but also into this individual collaboration. I'm very much appreciative to finally have a chance to show off this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, click the like button down below, subscribe to catch more, and be sure to check out again that hashtag daiquiri riff down below. Go check out the other videos and see how everybody's doing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all around. Bye-bye.